Namaste, I'm Kanika, an Ayurveda physician, and today let's talk about the most indispensable step in all Ayurvedic treatment, Nidan Parivarjanam. Let us look at the meaning of this word Nidan Parivarjanam. The word Nidan means cause or symptoms, and the word Parivarjanam means to eliminate or to avoid. And therefore this word Nidan Parivarjanam means to avoid cause and symptoms of a disease. For the sake of this video, we will consider cause as the meaning of the word Nidan. Is it not logical that if you do not remove the causal factors of a disease, you cannot reach a permanent cure? Even if you go on taking medicines, you will be in a cycle of getting cured and falling sick again, because the effect of medicines will be nullified by continuous inpour of causal factors. And therefore, Nidan Parivarjanam is the crucial step that defines the success of any Ayurvedic treatment. In order to understand the importance of Nidan Parivarjanam, let us take the example of a leaky bucket. Let us imagine that your body is like a bucket which is full of health, but it has a hole at the bottom, and through this hole, all the health is continuously leaking down. And no matter how much amount of medicine you keep pouring in the bucket, this bucket never gets full of health because the health is continuously dripping down from this hole. And unless and until you plug this hole, you will never reach a permanent state of health. In fact, according to Acharya Sushruta, the great sage of Ayurveda, Nidan Parivarjanam is a single complete treatment by itself. That means if you implement only Nidan Parivarjanam also, you will reach a complete cure. It might take a little bit longer, but then definitely you will reach a complete cure. In order to underline the importance of Nidan Parivarjanam as a single comprehensive treatment, let us take another example. Let us imagine that your body is like a river, and this river is getting polluted by a garbage inlet. This garbage inlet is continuously pushing in a lot of chemicals and toxins inside this river, and your task is to clean the river. Now, you cannot clean this river completely unless and until you plug this garbage hole. And once this garbage hole is plugged, once this garbage hole is not there, you don't even need to clean the river. The river itself will flush out all toxins and impurities by its natural flow. And this is the beautiful law of nature. It regains its natural balance once we stop interfering in it. And the same goes for our body also. Once the causal factors are removed, the dynamic metabolism of body flushes out all impurities and toxins all by itself, and therefore we do not need to cure the body. We only need to assist it to cure itself by Nidan Parivarjanam, by eliminating the causal factors, by stop exposing it to wrong diet, wrong lifestyle and stress. And if we are only able to do that, we don't need to take any medicines, we don't need to do any treatment, and we won't need any therapies. The body will cure itself completely. And therefore, if you are in any health condition, just relax and ponder over the causal factors and try to remove them. Once you are successfully able to remove these causal factors, you will see a definite result in your treatment. The problem is that there can be infinite causes of diseases, and therefore the big question is that what is your causal factor? In next video, I will discuss some of the most common causal factors that we all must avoid whether we are healthy or sick. If you are sick, you must avoid these factors to accelerate your treatment. And if you are healthy, you must avoid them to prevent any disease. Namaste. Thank you for watching.